Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you there. I'm trying to open these marshmallows, but I can't really do it myself. I need you to leave a like on the video and subscribe, please.
Do it now!
EX. I'm trying to leave likes on the video so I can open these marshmallows. Okay. There we go. Open the marshmallows. Marshmallows. EX. Marshmallows. 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 EX. Marshmallows. EX. Marshmallows. 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 Look how fluffy and white they are. Here we go, eating the marshmallows. Ah! Ding dong. Hey, what was that? Come on, guys, let's go check it out. Whoa! Hey, I wonder what that ding. Why is that door open? Why is there a box in the middle of our door? Let's find out what it is. 3, 2. Wait, did you order M&M's from Amazon again? Let's find out what this is. Give me a knife. Okay, I don't feel like I can't do this. Let me try it. Did I? Oh, I think it's stuck in. Now go, move it. Let's see what this is.
What the?
7. 7. Blue, you have to help me out. Number 7 is coming for me. Come on, help me, please. Why is the bed wet?
What do you want from me, X? Let me go to sleep. Oh no.
Oh no. Is that what it looks like? I didn't pee my bed,
It's water.
Yeah, whatever. Number 7 is coming for me. You have to help me.
Oh, number 7. Don't worry, I'm stronger than this guy. Here he comes.
7.
I can't understand you.
I need X.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's my friend.
Although something you'll never resist.
Okay, fine. Try something.
7, I'll give you M&M's.
M&M's. M&M's.
7.
Okay, M&M's. I'm so sorry, X.
Don't tell me.
I can't resist the chocolatey, crunchy taste of M&M's.
Fine, you can take him.
Seriously, Blue? Blue, I'll never forgive you.